How to disable autocorrect on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable autocorrect on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just click these 3 points, click on it, and here you will find settings. Click on it, and now just click this one here, typing, and here you will find autocorrect. You will find it like that. All you need to do, just disable it, click on it, and that's it. And you can manage here until you want. You can disable auto space or enable it, it's easy. And that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to disable autocorrect on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.